today make a dynamite, and this is how I prepare my dynamite. So I already cooked the pork. I'll saute in the garlic and the onions, and I put a little bit salt and a little bit of black pepper, ground black pepper, and then I put some ginisang mix to make our ground pork more delicious. And then I'll prepare 6 pieces of green chili, long green pepper, and then I'll grated the hidden cheese to put inside in the pepper, and then the same with the beef. So I have 6 pieces of lumpia wrapper. So I'll begin how to make the dynamite. So I'll use the plastic plug. I use the plastic plugs so that our dynamite prepared clean. Fix this. Plastic plug. Okay. Now I begin to make the dynamite. So the long green pepper, I already removed the seed inside, so no more seed inside, and then cut in the middle, and then I remove the seed of the pepper. So I'll start do the dynamite. So it's okay if you use the large lumpia wrapper. So I'll begin now how to make the dynamite. So I'll get some prepared ground pork, and then I'll put inside the pepper, and then I'll put some grated cheese. And then I wrap it in the lumpia wrapper. And I need to dip my hands in the water so that I can close to make our dynamite sealed. And then the same procedure, I'll make another one. Then put some grated cheese on the top. Then I wrap using the lumpia wrapper. And then same procedure. until I'll make this 6 pieces of dynamite. And then last 2 pieces of dynamite. Then last piece to make it 6 pieces. We need to put inside all the pork and cheese, and then wrap it again to make dynamite. It's already sealed. So this is the prepared dynamite. So fry it in the cooking oil and then until brown, and then ready to serve. You can make the mayonnaise with ketchup, put a little bit of salt and black pepper for our dipping for our dynamite. So that's it. This is how to prepare the dynamite. It's so delicious. Thank you.